not bad for the second pull. I mean, did I call my shot or what? Did I say I was gonna make 950, 960 that pull? And the next pull will make over 1,000? Yeah, now we can fine tune it on the street. But the clutch is holding, everything looks good. Like I probably could put more in it, but it's just for a dyno number. There's really no need. I know what the other ones have made. It'll make more with more boost in it. We'll test it on the street and see how she shifts and see how it holds. We're done. All right, guys, big things coming here at Late Model Racecraft in Houston, Texas for 2023. We have a new shop. Land has already been purchased. Building is starting to get built. So we are expanding our company. With that being said, we are going to need more seasoned technicians, whether it comes to the GM platform, as well as expanding to other avenues, some exotics as Lamborghini, McLaren, Ferrari. Any guys out there, technicians, seasoned technicians, again, from the GM world, which is what we're known for, to expanding to new platforms, please give us a call or email parts@latemodelracecraft.com, and please send your resumes there. Again, must have your own tools, seasoned technician. I know you guys out there that just graduated school, we get a lot of resumes for it. I'm not looking for that at the moment right now. We need seasoned technicians. Again, parts@latemodelracecraft.com. Send your resumes today. Hope to see y'all and hear from you soon. Thanks.